How to log in to Forex Trading School and Game app. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are ready to start learning Forex and have fun trading in a risk-free environment, logging in to Forex Trading School and Game app is super easy. First of all, launch open the Forex Trading School and Game app on your mobile device, whether you are using iPhone or Android, and wait for this homepage. Now go to the top left corner and tap on the gear icon and you'll end up in this page. Scroll down and look for the login with Facebook or login with Apple option and tap on any one of them. Choose any one option you are comfortable with or you've previously logged in with and enter your credentials. If you've chosen login with Facebook, you can go ahead and enter your Facebook account's credentials. If you are trying to sign in with Apple, you'll need to sign in with your Apple account's credentials, and so on. Go ahead and follow the sign-in process and you'll be logged in immediately. So there you have it. That is how super easy it is. If the video was helpful to you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.